We will ask you only a few questions, like 4 questions regarding the museum.
Okay, would you like to sit down?
No, I'll just interview you while I'm taking pictures here.
Okay,
Okay.
if it's that video race, okay?
Yes. But I'm sure this will be good. Yeah. Since when did you sit as administrator of the museum?
To be exact, July 2000.
Yeah.
Yes.
What were the challenges that faced you
Oh,
when you?
everything was lack of funds was the main thing.
Uh-huh.
There was not enough money at the time when I took over. And so we had to figure out ways to raise funds
Yeah.
so that we could continue.
But there's a big improvement here since the last time I came
There's
here.
quite a bit
Yeah.
slowly. It was a struggle, you know. It was an uphill struggle, but we made it up to this point.
But that means you are really doing a good job. Yeah. Can you
I hope
say?
so. We're trying
Yeah.
hard.
Can you say anything about what's going on right now about the exhibit?
The exhibit, we have a changing gallery, and it changes every 3 or 4 months. And what we are doing is showcasing uh, part of our culture, Ilocano culture. Like now we are featuring baskets.
Oh.
Okay? Sometimes we take baskets for granted. We
Yeah.
mistreat them, we don't even have any respect for them. But they're being very useful creations of Ilocanos.
Uh-huh.
And they are used in every aspect, like in farming, in fishing, in the homes, and in markets, and everywhere we use baskets. And they are used to show the dexterity of the hands of the Ilocano
That's true.
people. That we are talented. They came with inborn talent to make things out of uh, things that grow in nature.
Oh, that's so. That's very informative. We would like to know how many tourists you are raking in or inviting every month or for every year.
We fluctuate really depending upon the season.
Yeah.
There are peak seasons like summertime when there are so many students and foreigners coming over to visit. So it varies. I cannot tell offhand how much we are averaging, but it should be about.
So these tourists, are they mostly foreigners or local tourists?
We get them from everywhere, even foreigners as far as Europe and China, the neighboring countries. At one time, we had regular Taiwanese coming over,
Yes.
2 busloads every 2 weeks. I mean, every week, 2 busloads. But they quit coming, because there were no more flights. They stopped their flights. Yeah. I don't know why. We hope they're going to come back again.
Maybe 1.16.
That's what I said. Maybe about 200.
1,600.
1,600.
600.
Yes. Okay. What many?
Not bad.
No, not bad at all.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah,
So we hope we get more because the governor is, as you can see, she's putting up a tourism project next door. It's an annex for the museum, and we hope that they will bring investors and open up some businesses in there, and that should attract more tourists and thereby bringing more tourists to the museum also.
That's great. And what are the upcoming events here at the
Oh,
museum?
yes, we do. Normally, we have a governor's ball that happens once a year to raise funds. But this time, I think we're just going to have um, an awards night. We award some interesting people that have created some things and to the progress and contributed to the wealth of our culture. It's like the last time we had 3 people that were awarded last year. One for blacksmithing, one for the lady making, no, the bizcocho bakers, the blacksmith, and also one that writes Ilocano, is a writer in Ilocano. We have 3 awards this last year, and we hope to have, we award three people who are very deserving. Last time we had, last year we had this, no, we had Biscochana, we had those three. But before that, we had so many people like the kalesa maker, okay, the pottery industry. Also, we also have bell makers, weavers, all those people that have contributed to the enrichment of our culture.
So, what more can you say to invite our
What
guests?
I would like is for people to get more interested in coming. The younger people don't know so little about our culture now. You know, they are now so high tech that they don't know what is our history. And our museum is more like a treasure house of all the valuable contributions that old people before us have contributed, like in the field of industry, farming, oh my goodness, farming, fishery, and all those things. No, those kids don't know those anymore. They only know the cell phones and computers. They don't know how farming is done. They don't know the value of the carabaos. They don't know what is done in the farming. They don't know those things anymore. If you take them around here, very few of them have seen those things. You know. So that's what we are trying to do, is to bring back the old culture, preserve it, and so that our younger people can learn from them. They also learn the character of the Ilocano people, that we are sturdy, hardworking people, industrious, and very thrifty.
Thank you very much, Mom, and we are so glad you accommodated us for this short interview.
Thank you too. Very pleased to our staff. I have 2 staff members here. They are the ones that go and picture all these things on the field. You know, they go and document everything, and then I put them into writing. And this is Christopher Villa, and this is Junjun Pataka.
Alright.
What's
funny. Here? What do you have to offer about this?
Yes, we have all kinds. Name it and we have it. We have also some longanisa and stuff. We have everything.
Where's the bagnet? I want to see the bagnet.
Yes, we have.
They are all packaged together right now. You can order them.
It's available.
You can order them through us.
It's available. The longanisa is available.
And we have here the...
See, we have this ready to go. Look at those.
We can offer packages.
These are gifts. And it has a chicharon. What else, Linda?
Bornican t-shirts. And we have also the Bugnay wine.
And of 9-1.